Hey, my name's Sarah and I'm the mom next door. Today we're going to make basic mashed potatoes and we're going to make it a little bit easier by using the KitchenAid mixer. Start out by peeling and chopping about 4 pounds of potatoes. Boil them in a big pot of water for about 15 minutes. I like using my Dutch oven because then I can reuse the warm pot to store the mashed potatoes in, keeping them nice and warm. Drain and dry your potatoes. You want to make sure you pat them dry or let them drip dry pretty well because you don't want them watery. Put your flat paddle on the KitchenAid mixer and add your potatoes. Use a low speed and then slowly stir in your butter, your milk, a teaspoon of salt, and about ½ teaspoon of pepper. Mix until they're mashed to your liking. Return them to your Dutch oven, which will keep them nice and warm until you're ready to serve. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end. I invite you to subscribe because if you watch this video, I've probably got other videos you'll like too.